Hello, a very good evening, friends. It's my pleasure and proud privilege to introduce our today's speaker, Dr. Salil Bendre. He is head of the pulmonary medicine at Nanavati Hospital, having his private practice at Andheri West near Apna Bazar. He was head of the pulmonary medicine at Somaiya College. At present, he is the president of Environmental Medical Association. He is a teacher and examiner at Bombay University. He has many presentations and publications at national and international level to his credit. When I say the word corona, what does it do to you? You get anxious? You get fearful? Isn't it? This is the most often used word in today's time, be it news, TV, WhatsApp, or Instagram. It sends impulses to our brain and we get panicked. But don't you worry, my friends. We at Rotary Club of Bombay West have invited a renowned pulmonologist, master respiratory disease specialist, and a great teacher, Professor Dr. Salil Bendre, who is going to talk on COVID, Kal, Aaj or Kal. He is going to share his knowledge and enlighten us with a super oratory talk covering lighter side of COVID and lockdown. His talk will not be only the serious aspects of COVID, but also the humor along with it. We will also enjoy the feast of entertaining anecdotes as well. He does stand up comedy for stage shows. So we will surely invite him, Dr. Bendre, when we start meeting physically. So here I present Dr. Salil Bendre. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. First of all, thank you, Dr. Bhavna Patel, Dr. Manoj Patel, and all the esteemed listeners from the Rotary Club. This is my first encounter with all you wonderful people. And I had my own anxieties initially when Dr. Manoj Patel told me that you should give a talk and you should discuss a few things about COVID. I think yesterday, today, day before yesterday also, I spoke to Dr. Bhavna. Okay, I don't know how I will be able to speak on Zoom. I'm not very technically good, but I'll try to, sort of make this talk more interactive or maybe more interesting, because the topic which we are talking today is not a very, very humorous topic, but let's take the lighter side of it. I'm going to show you only 7 slides, and after that, we will just have a talk. I will, probably share some experiences with you. So I will show you a few slides and then we move on to the uh, talk. So you must have seen, many things happening during COVID and few funny things regarding COVID, which we have always come across, probably on the computer or on the screen or on the WhatsApp or Instagram, that the coronavirus won't last long because it was made in China. But that's something like a understatement, because it is definitely going on. And then there was a joke about the Bollywood, like Thakur is safe from coronavirus because he has no hands, so no handshake and no touching of the face and the hands. So it's very important take-home message also from this slide, that we should be very careful and probably keep our hands close to each other. There are many speakers. I have seen speakers who talk in webinars. I'm sure a lot of you have attended webinars, but even amongst webinars, they are saying that you should not touch your face, and then they do this. You should not touch your eyes. You should not do this. Don't touch your hair. But it's probably a subconscious action which happens. And then as the times have gone through, actually the expectations and reality are completely different. I mean, when the lockdown happened, we went through a lot of emotions. They were initially a emotion of shock, disbelief. How can Mumbai stop? How can India be locked down? And then there came work from home. Work from home appeared to be very luxurious and very simple, but actually the work from home was only partly that. Many of the people started actually doing washing the linen, washing the clothes, sweeping the floors, started helping in cooking. But I'm certain like all the guys must be agreeing with me that that enthusiasm was only in the first few weeks. And probably after the first 3 weeks, I have seen, from our hospital itself, people putting on Facebook, I am cooking. making biryani today. I have started loving cooking. Then there are photos where they are sweeping the floor. And then after 3 weeks, everything changed. No such photos on Facebook. Everyone is tired and exhausted and they don't want to do anything. Because whatever is for small time, it is okay. But obviously, we can't do it for a longer time. And then, of course, there were big jokes on big people. Lockdown की वजह से आज पहली बार मैंने अपने पूरे घर पहली बार देखा, because he's never home. So it's the first time that he actually got time to see the house, and that I suppose holds true for many of us. Okay, many of us did not know what was lying behind the cupboard, what was lying below the bed, what was lying in the corner, how does the washing machine use, where to put the powder and where to start doing the dryer. No, many of us did not know. I think first time we realized that how much we have to bend even to sweep the floor. And then there was these mopping sticks which like started selling like hot cakes, where you just put it and mop and rinse it in water and start mopping the floor. Before this, no one knew about it. So there are few things which we are learning, and then innovations and masks, different type of different things. And then of course, the final statement was that we should be at home and doing nothing. So that's just the gist of a talk of the slides which I thought I should show. And I'll just try to, what she had said, don't, now screen sharing has been stopped. Okay. So we'll just go back to the full screen. Yes. So what I wanted to share about COVID is, see, we have seen that during this lockdown, something contradictions happen, because after 9 months, there are two things which are going to happen in huge numbers. One is babies and second is divorces. So though it's a contradiction, it's going to happen, and you know why. Those people who are smiling, they themselves are realizing why they are smiling. I don't have to blurt it out. Why divorces are increasing. Okay, breakups are increasing. And babies are going to be more. So these are the outcome. I don't know whether I should say it's a positive outcome or a negative outcome, but trust me that after 9 months from now, there is going to be a rush at the maternity homes and also at the civil courts for divorces. So these things do happen, but we Indians are basically what we call jugaad karne wale log, innovate. And how the innovation changes is that I have seen myself that Archie's Gallery, which usually does gifts and all these things, they now keep sanitizers. They now keep masks. Birthday gifts are N95 masks. There are vegetable vendors. Sabzi wale ke paas bhi kya hai, 1 kilo आलू ले लेंगे तो 200 ml का hand sanitizer free में दे देंगे. And there are people who actually go to those and they bargain कि भैया आप तो हम तो आपके पुराने कस्टमर है, तो हम तो आपसे टमाटर लेते हैं, सब्जी लेते हैं, अभी हमको आप एक मास्क का पैकेट तो फ्री देना ही बनता है, because that's kind of a bargaining. हम तो आप पैसे पहले बार नहीं ले रहे हैं, हर टाइम आते हैं, हम बाजू के बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं. So this is all the jugaad which is happening, the innovations which are happening. Masks are being sold. In fact, trust me, पर आप कभी पार्ला से जाएंगे, पार्ला ईस्ट से जाएंगे, so there are Navratri PPE kits in designer forms being sold. Okay, PPE kits in designer form. There are PPE shararas and PPE gararas which are now coming into the market. And if at all there's a Navratri which happens, I am sure you will see a couple of people who are wearing those PPE kits and dancing or putting those designer shararas and dancing. So we Indians innovate a lot, and I am happy to be an Indian because we innovate or perish. So we always innovate. And same is true with those masks. In these Marathi newspapers, in Navratri, there is a color code. First day of Navratri, this color. Second day of Navratri, this color. See, this Navratri, there will be colored masks. First day of Navratri, there will be orange mask. Second day of Navratri, green mask. Third day, so the newspapers and these WhatsApps will have those kind of color code. And everyone you will see now mask wearing, because there are designer masks. People are liking this thing. So emotions and variations are going to be a stand. It's just going to change in this COVID thing. So I am trying to share things which I see amongst patients. Amongst patients, Dr. Manoj Patel is there. I don't know how many doctors are there on this crowd, but Dr. Manoj Patel will surely agree that when a patient is serious, during COVID or not during COVID, and he's really critical, the patient's relative comes to us and says, डॉक्टर आप भगवान हो, आप ही भगवान हो, कुछ भी करके हमारे पेशेंट को बचा लीजिए. That is the first day when we talk to the relatives and the patient is really serious. 3 दिन हो जाते हैं, patient ठीक होने लगता है. Patient is brought out from the ICU into the recovery. See how the talk changes. डॉक्टर साहब आप तो भगवान जैसे हो. कि now that is not आप भगवान नहीं हो, आप भगवान जैसे हो. Then slowly 3-4 days still go, then he's brought into the wards. Then the relatives say, भगवान की दया से आप जैसा इंसान हमको आके मिला. So now they have slowly brought down you from God to godly and then to human. And then at the time of discharge, when they get a bill, which is a favorite topic, doctors and hospital bill is a favorite topic. So when they get a bill, भगवान करे कि कोई भी ये डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाए. So this is how the change of people happen, change of the human mind happens, because mind is the master and body is the slave. Okay, mind is the master and the body is the slave. So finally, mind is like the sky and clouds are the thoughts. So we keep on changing and keep on thinking about different aspects and emotions, and all these things happen. Now during this, someone was interacting before I joined in about webinar to bahut ho gaye, so many webinars and we are getting tired, but webinars have been very humorous. There have been people who have got up without switching off the camera, and then later on we come to know that they are wearing only shorts underneath their shirt. So webinars are very hilarious. At the same time, again, being a doctor is good. I don't need to be a stand-up comedian because I get to see comedy every day. Okay, that's the lighter part of it. Because now with patients not able to come to the clinic, what do we do? Video consultation, tele-video consultation. So पहले तो patient आता था अगर clinic में तो बोलता था सर हमको है ना पीला पीला कफ निकल रहा है. Today morning I woke up at 7. I saw my WhatsApp. There was a big blot of yellow sputum on the screen. And the patient had written, ये ऐसा कलर का बलगम आया. This is the sputum which I coughed out today. And then they change over कि दोपहर को सर हरे रंग का कफ आया. So they send a WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is perhaps good, but it is also dangerous. So when we have interacted with patients for a live video consultation, like I make a call on video and the person is telling me कि मुझे सर जुलाब हो रहे हैं, 3 दिन से जुलाब होते हैं. So I ask, कब से हो रहा है? 2 दिन से. And he sees the shirt which I am wearing, and he actually says, सर ये जो आपने शर्ट जिस कलर का पहना है ना, उसी कलर का जुलाब हुआ है. Now we as doctors can't laugh. Today, those who are hearing this laugh, and of course I am also telling it in a very jovial manner, but these things do happen because COVID has changed the entire scenario. There, I still remember a patient, and she is from Santa Cruz. So I don't know if there is from one of the groups, which one of the person whom we are interacting with. She had told me, "Sir, I am having sore throat. So I wanted to show you my throat. So I have taken a photo with a mobile, and I want to send it to you." So she actually, I think one of the talks before last week was on use of mobile camera. So probably she must have heard that talk. And she has taken that phone mobile and then she has sent me the open mouth. I did not know ये ब्रह्मांड देख रहा हूँ कि क्या देख रहा हूँ, because it was like an open mouth. And नीचे she still wrote, kindly zoom to see the tonsils. Not only that, she said, sir, if you use the torch on the mobile screen, you can see the tonsils more clearly. So it is all a mixture of experiences. We have never experienced this. We have never gone through different types of experiences. The height was about the PPE kit. When I have got a patient in my clinic, 2 people coming, wearing a mask and a scarf and all these things. एक patient किसी और के बीवी को साथ में लेके गया. Because who is behind it, no one knows. How many of us have actually gone to a shop to buy clothes in 6 months? None of us. Nor I mean, today I am using the blazer after God knows when. After the lockdown, first time I am using the blazer. Because PPE kit is one thing which helps me to wear anything inside. I will not say nothing inside, but at least anything inside, and no one knows what I'm wearing inside. So it has its plus and minus, but still, I don't want to make a speech about, what is COVID and how is COVID, because we want to keep it a little lighter. At the same time, we need to remember that COVID is still there. So allowing maids into the house, allowing people to come and sweep the house, allowing cooks to enter into the house, allowing people to come and do facial, allowing people to come into the mehendi, that has got its own risk. And definitely we are seeing many patients coming into the hospital even now with COVID. And what is a common problem? I think Dr. Manoj Patel will agree. Everyone says, हम तो कभी बाहर निकले ही नहीं है, 3 महीने से तो मैं घर पर ही हूँ, फिर मुझे कैसे हो सकता है ये प्रॉब्लम? And that is precisely because the problem is coming inside the house, though you are not going outside. So we have to understand that it is here to stay, and we have to take enough precautions, especially in whom? In the elderly, in the diabetic, and in those who have a pre-existing lung problem or a liver problem or a kidney problem. So if you have those problems, you have to be extra careful. Now, when Dr. Bhavana Patel told me, you don't make it a speech, it will be very boring and we want it to be a very lively kind of a talk. I remembered my MBBS days. I was never a good speaker, but I learned the trick of speaking during my MBBS days. Okay, so during my second MBBS, I still remember, my friend was standing for an election and for the general council election, and he was told to give a speech. So he said, I am scared, I don't know how to give a speech. So he came and met his senior and said, Baba, भाषण कैसे देते हैं? तो senior said, बहुत simple चीज है, एक sentence ले लीजिए, उसके आखिरी word से दूसरा sentence बनाइए, उसके आखिरी word से तीसरा sentence बनाइए, 5 मिनट बोल लीजिए, बहुत हो गया, फिर जय हिंद बोल के वापस आ जाइए. That is a भाषण, that's a speech. So I remember the speech he had given on that second MBBS time. He had started off saying कि मैं ना कोई speaker हूँ, ना कोई leader हूँ. Leader तो थे वल्लभ भाई पटेल. वल्लभ भाई पटेल लोहे के माने जाते थे. लोहे की फैक्ट्री बिहार में है. बिहार के फैक्ट्री का उद्घाटन पंडित नेहरू ने किया था. पंडित नेहरू को गुलाब अच्छे लगते थे. गुलाब 3 प्रकार के होते हैं, लाल गुलाब, पीला गुलाब, काला गुलाब. लाल गुलाब नेहरू जी अपने कोट पे लगाते थे. पीला गुलाब लड़कियां बालों में लगाती है. काले गुलाब से गुलकंद बनाया जाता है. गुलकंद बीमारियों के लिए अच्छा होता है. बीमारियों में से पेट की बीमारी जर्द होती है. जर्द तो खरबूजा भी होता है. खरबूजा रंग बदलता है. रंग जर्मनी में सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के लिए आजमाया था. वॉर भयानक होती है. भयानक तो शेर भी होता है. सवा शेर का एक मन होता है. मन चंचल होता है. चंचल मधुबाला की बहन थी. मधुबाला दिल के बीमारी से मर गई. दिल मंदिर जैसा होता है. मंदिर में भगवान रहता है. भगवान काफी वफादार होता है. वफादार तो कुत्ता भी होता है. कुत्ते की पूंछ टेढ़ी होती है, वो तुम सीधी कर लो, तब तक मैं दूसरा भाषण तैयार करता हूं. जय हिंद. सो दिस वाज द स्पीच व्हिच ही हैड गिवन. सो ये जो भाषण वगैरह जो होता है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ दोज, एंड आई विल बी नोइंग व्हेन टू स्टॉप. ओके, बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स नो व्हेन टू स्टॉप. क्या है इशू? ये है कि डॉक्टर और भगवान में एक म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है. अगर भगवान को आपने खुश नहीं रखा, वो डॉक्टर के पास भेजता है, और अगर डॉक्टर को आपने खुश नहीं रखा तो आप समझ गए क्या होता है. सो इसके लिए डॉक्टर को मालूम होता है कि कितना स्ट्रेच करने का, कितना नहीं स्ट्रेच करने का. पर अभी फिलहाल क्या हुआ है विद दिस लॉकडाउन एंड स्टफ, मेनी पीपल थिंक, वो जो एक सेइंग होती थी ना, एन एप्पल अ डे कीप्स द डॉक्टर अवे, वो चली गई है, और ये ऐप अ डे कीप्स द डॉक्टर अवे ऐसा हो गया. एक ऐप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए, फिर उस पर कोविड के लिए क्या क्या ट्रीटमेंट करनी है, फिर उसमें ग्रीन टी भी हो, लहसुन टी भी हो, अदरक वाली अलग चाय हो, मसाले वाली चाय हो, होम्योपैथी हो, आयुर्वेदिक हो, सर नीचे रख के खड़े हो जाओ तो भी कोविड नहीं होता है. सो मेनी थिंग्स कम अप इन द व्हाट्सएप, इन द डिफरेंट एप्स. पर रिमेंबर दैट it is finally the experience, finally what is the truth जो आपने को रेगुलरली करना है. About vaccines, we need to be optimistic. Okay, vaccines will come. No one knows when. Neither I, neither Dr. Manoj Patel, neither Dr. Bhavana, no one in this world knows. Neither Putin nor Modi. No one knows when. No one knows when the vaccine comes. But it will definitely come. See, optimism is a very, very important point when we think of patients. I'll give you two examples how the mind works. We had a patient who was on her almost on the critical part, and she was almost, I would say, in the last few days of her life in this COVID times only. So doctor explained to her कि देखो आपकी अब बहुत क्रिटिकल है, अभी ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे, बहुत सीरियस है आपकी तबीयत, आपकी कुछ लास्ट विश है क्या, आपकी कुछ इच्छा है क्या. So that lady, she was a 86-year-old lady, she told my RMO, yes, I want to change the doctor, because no one wants to really, have a person who is talking negative. No one wants that negativity to come. And anxiety plays an extensive role today because of the thing that we are not socializing, we are not going out. Trust me, but more than COVID, more than chest physicians and physicians, who is doing maximum work today? They are the psychiatrists. They are doing maximum work because of the fear complex which has been generated. Now, fear complex is okay if it's within limit, but there are people who feel breathless just by thinking that they could get COVID. There are people who have a pulse oximeter and har aadhe ghante they keep on looking at the saturation. And there are people who take a deep breath, see that the saturation is 98, then they feel now they don't have COVID, even if they have fever, but just because the saturation is normal. So anxiety is one thing which is very, very, very dangerous. So the bottom line of our plan of managing COVID for everyone, and I always tell this, is your immunity. And your immunity is based on two important things. One is sleep. You should get a good sleep. And second is mind. Your mental strength decides your outcome. I'll tell you another example of this. There was a very elderly couple who was admitted recently in one of the hospitals I was seeing. The elderly man was very, very bad. Means he was unconscious, semi-conscious. Occasionally he used to come to consciousness, again used to become unconscious. And his wife, equally old, used to sit next to him just for the moment that if he becomes awake, then she can give him something to eat, or she can talk to him 2-3 words or 2-3 sentences. So almost for 4 days and nights, she was just sitting next to him. And one of the days when we were taking rounds, she was sitting next to him. We tried to move her and we found that she had passed away. And the man was awake that time. That old man was awake that time. So he told us that I was waiting that I should not die before her. Now that she is no more and I know that I can pass away peacefully, I will also die today. And after 5 hours, he died. So these are some things which teach us so much about the mind, about the strength of the mind, that what remains is finally a simple philosophy. So there was this king who had, asked his minister that you tell me 4 words, which I shall read every day and which will never make me over greedy or over full of pride. At the same time, I should not feel very sad and gloomy if I lose something. Just 4 words. And that minister gave him a very good statement. So he said, you write down this 4 words, this too shall pass. This too shall pass. So those were 4 words. So even if you are having the maximum of your riches, you are very powerful, you have won lot of kingdoms, remember that this too shall pass. And if you ever lose a battle and you are losing a lot of things, not getting a lot of things the way you wanted, remember that this too shall pass. So it's a spectrum which we are going through, where we feel that this disease will go away, disease will finally end. We need to get back to our regular lifestyle, regular work, but at the same time with precautions. There are many people, in fact, there are WhatsApp messages now which I read that masks are not useful. There's no need of wearing a mask. There are a lot of messages going on. Or there are messages which say while walking, you should not wear a mask because we rebreathe carbon dioxide and that causes more trouble. So there are followers who think that way, but we need to understand that we need to wear a mask. We need to have a hand hygiene. And it's not the COVID, but there are simple other infections which are very, very, very important, like viral infection other than COVID, which do happen in seasonal flu. Now with the rains coming, Dr. Patel will agree, we have seen a lot of patients of malaria and dengue. So every fever which comes does not mean कि अभी COVID हो गया है, अभी COVID के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए, test करना चाहिए. No, it's not so. Every fever is not COVID, but a fever which is persistent, which is not responding to the treatment which you are taking, which is causing a cough and which is causing a heaviness in the chest, you need to investigate for a COVID. And that too, especially in senior citizens and those with having an immunity which is very low. So going back to the lockdown phase where we had a lot of problems, a lot of shock and understanding about what to do. And then during the phase where we finally came to terms with that, there are a lot of funny things which happened amongst all these cases, including what we have seen about patients, including what we have seen about the Zoom calls and so on and so forth. And like I was asked, in fact, one of the persons who had come to me, I was wearing a mask and PPE, and he too was wearing a mask and a complete shield. So he said, "Sir, आपने मुझे कैसे पहचान लिया? मैं तो दिख नहीं रहा हूँ इसमें." So I said, "See, I saw your X-ray and I knew that you are the same one because I remembered. We identify by X-rays. I am a chest physician, so I identify by X-ray. X-ray में ये दाग था. This is the same patient. Somehow it just clicks automatically." So I will tell you a very funny incident which happened with one of a very famous singers from Karnataka. His name was Kalinga Rao. Okay, a very famous singer. When he was young, not achieved success, he had piles. Okay, he had piles. So he had gone to a surgeon who was a student that time, and that surgeon had done a PR. So he had done a per rectal examination, and he had said, "You have got piles." He was treated. The surgeon passed the exam, became a big and eminent surgeon, and Kalinga Rao became an eminent singer, very famous singer. After 24 years, again Kalinga Rao had piles. And by that time, this surgeon had also become very famous, very busy surgeon. So Kalinga Rao was wheeled into his cabin, and this surgeon did not know who has come. They just got him. He put a finger into the anus per rectum, and immediately there is Kalinga Rao. I know him. So how did he know? Because he remembered what the piles were there. So how they were there in that patient. So we doctors have got a very different kind of memory. We identify by diseases, we identify by X-rays, we identify by all the scars which are left on the X-rays or on the abdomen. Okay, so you need to be good to doctors. That's the take-home message for today. And remember that yes, though we are living in a very difficult situation, fortunately, we are also in a place like Mumbai where there are a lot of facilities, there are good amount of resources available, and there are good doctors available which you can avail of. In fact, in abroad, it is very difficult to actually access a doctor. I suppose everyone knows that in the Western countries, if we want a doctor, it takes a difficult time to really get through to the doctor we really want. So we are in a place where it's difficult, but I think we are still better off in managing this, even regarding the COVID-19, even regarding the pandemic and all the disease processes. So I think this is just my sort of a talk regarding that, and I will just share just the last thing about this during this time Rishi Kapoor passed away. I suppose everyone it was really a heart-shattering incident that he passed away. He was like a heartthrob of millions and a very good actor. But some of his songs actually tell us a little about how COVID has gone through. It's like not a tribute, but I'm just mentioning the names of the song. So it's like lockdown. It's almost like saying "Hum tum ek kamre mein band ho." That's a Rishi Kapoor song. When the test comes positive, there is so much of fear that no one wants to tell. So मुझे कुछ कहना है, मुझे भी कुछ कहना है. So पहले तुम. So there is a lot of anxiety happening. The report comes in. What used to happen, report is positive, but no beds available in the hospital. मेरे को नानावटी में एडमिट करना है. मनोज पटेल सर को फोन लगाओ, सर ट्रस्टीज को फोन लगाओ, सर इनको फोन लगाओ, मेरे को एक बेड चाहिए, मुझे वहीं पे एडमिट होना है. Then bed is not available, call up after 8 hours. Bed available नहीं. So ना मांगो सोना चांदी, ना मांगो बंगला गाड़ी, अभी तो मुझे सिर्फ एक ICU का बेड चाहिए. So things are, and then when the patient is in the hospital in the ICU, he remembers two of Rishi Kapoor's songs, Shirdi Wale Sai Baba, Aaya Hu Tere Dar Pe Sawari, and Om Shanti Om Shanti Shanti Om. And when the person actually gets better and he starts going home, he develops what is called as antibodies. Somehow that's also a very, very hyped stuff. कि COVID antibodies कर लेने का, वो antibodies है means I am immune. And people start singing खुल्लम खुल्ला घुमा करेंगे हम दोनों ऐसा, you know, like कभी COVID हो गया, now I can't get COVID, which is again a myth. These antibodies don't last for more than 2 to 3 months. So we are going to be prone to getting an infection again. So those people who get COVID get a wrong impression, and those people who don't have that infection feel they are infected just because of the fear and the psychosis which is there. So eat well, sleep well, and stay smiling, be happy. I think that should be the basic, outline or bottom line of the life which you and I are living in. And looking at this wonderful crowd, I feel very nice. They're all cheerful, happy, having a good, talk, interaction between each other. I think that's the best part of being Indians, that we are social animals. We are social. We want to come together. We want to interact. If I see a smiling face of you people in front of me, my stress will go away for that much time. I think that's what matters. So I salute all the Rotarians and the organizers and the entire people who are listening to me, interacting with me, and thank you for inviting me to discuss these few things in a different way, maybe for a short duration, but just to cover the different aspects of what as doctors we have seen in this entire thing. I was told to do mimicry. I'm accepting that, but somehow I felt that it's a difficult thing to really be so far away and not get a live reaction, not know when the people are getting bored or whether they are sleeping. That's the big disadvantage of a webinar. Because I have seen my son attends webinar and he's attending it in a lying down position because video is off, and then we have to wake him up. Please wake up, it's still going on. So I really did not want that kind of a stuff to happen when I am talking, but I hope I have tried to make it a little entertaining or little casual in the approach, in few people understanding the nuances of COVID. If that's enough, we will stop, or whatever Dr. Bhavna tells me, you tell me, we will, whatever is the best.
Thank you, Dr. Salil. It was a wonderful talk. At least in a lighter mood, everybody were afraid of that word COVID. At least they were not afraid today. Before the talk, they were afraid of everything, hearing COVID or Corona. But then you had said good Corona, so that was a better thing. Huh? So I think you have put everybody's mind at rest. The other part, of course, they will consult you for the seriousness part, so don't worry about it. Okay. So that was a
Mimicry
good talk.
हो जाए.
Huh?
Mimicry हो जाए. We are all enjoying.
Huh? कोशिश कर.
I will try a few things. Let's see if it works out. If it just doesn't work out, just raise your hand. I will stop.
We'll give you a reaction. Don't worry.
Yeah. It's not mimicry. Actually, since I was talking of songs, it's about a song which was picturized on Rishi Kapoor only. So just continuing that, I suppose everyone has heard the song "Chehra hai ya chand khila hai, zulf ghaneri sham hai kya, sagar jaisi aankhon wali, ye to bata tera naam hai kya." So now this song, when it came into the Bollywood, it was actually composed beforehand. It was because I knew the composers, and we were during the recording. Somehow I was knowing the patients over there, and they interacted with me. So this song had gone to different states. It had gone to Maharashtra, it had gone to Gujarat, it had gone to different other people, and how they tried to compose the song is very interesting. Okay, so imagine Chehra hai ya chand khila hai, and it's been picturized on Rishi Kapoor. Dimple Kapadia is sitting in front of him, and a Marathi person, a traditional Marathi folk song singer, is told to sing that song. Okay, so it went to a जो तमाशा दिखाते हैं ना उनको, मराठी तमाशा. So he tried to sing it this way. अरे चेहरा है या चांद खिला है, अन जुल्फ घनेरी शाम है क्या, अन सागर जैसी आंखों वाली ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या। जी जी रजी, हे जी जी रजी, जी रजी, जी रजी। अरे तू क्या जाने, बरं का, अरे तू क्या जाने तेरी खातिर कितना है बेताब ये दिल। अन तू क्या जाने देख रहा है कैसे कैसे ख्वाब ये दिल। जी जी रजी। So this was the Marathi version. Then Gujaratis never ever sit quiet. Okay, they have to come there. They have to be there. Okay, and they have a different way of singing a song. So imagine Chehra Hai Ya Chand Khila Hai went to a Guju, and they have that song of starting off in a very high pitch. Hey, they start off with that. Okay, चेहरा है या चांद खिला है, जुल्फ घनेरी शाम है क्या, है सागर जेवी माखो वाड़ी ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या, ये तो बता तारा नाम है क्या, है तू क्या जाने तारा खातिर कितना है बेताब ये दिल, है तू क्या जाने देख रहा है कैसे कैसे ख्वाब ये दिल, माँ कैसे कैसे ख्वाब ये दिल. So this was the Gujarati version. Okay, so this is just a glimpse of it, but I think we can continue whenever we are meeting in person, and we can have a better show. Okay.
So I think that will be in a stage show.
Yeah.
Now that will be possibly a spiritual meeting, because in Corona, I think those who had spiritual were saved, because everybody said alcohol-based sanitizer if you use. So now where to use? You use rather than only hands, you use everywhere. So I think that is a safer way. I think Salil, it was an excellent talk, and nobody were allowed to sleep also. I think that was the wrong thing. Anyway, it was a very good thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
I would request Rotarian Gautam Chande to propose a vote of thanks.
All right. Good evening, friends. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. I'm going to take a page out of Dr. Bendre's book and create a short Thanksgiving speech based on the last word of each sentence. Okay, so here goes. I would like to thank Dr. Bendre. Dr. Bendre has really entertained us. Entertainment is something we must use to beat COVID. COVID can be beaten by exercise, social distancing, positive attitude, and avoiding anxiety. The positive attitude is greatly influenced by the ability to see the lighter side of even extremes. Extremes such as Kalingarau's piles and the Zulab and the shirt-colored Zulab. Okay. So, in terms of extremes, we are laughing at these things. And Dr. Bendre, though some of us are really curious about the Zulab-colored shirt, that is a smart coat you're wearing. On that note, I would like to say that wearing a smile is how we will end this program. So once again, thank you, Dr. Salil, for a very entertaining speech.
Wonderful. That's the best Thanksgiving talk I've ever heard. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gautam.